An old rental apartment, built 35 years ago. A once dark and cramped space, transformed into a bright and open living room. Total cost of 4.95 million yen.
Hi, this is Shinahara. Today, I'm here at a rental apartment in Otaku, Tokyo. A new Imechen renovation has just been completed. This project was handled by Imechen Shimbashi. So I'll be interviewing Mr. Saito about the details of the renovation. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Could you give us a brief overview of this property?
Sure, this is a 35-year-old apartment built in 1990. This unit is on the second floor of a 4-story building.
And what's the total floor area?
It's about 40 square meters.
I see. And you changed the layout this time?
Yes, it was originally a 2DK layout, but we've transformed it into a 1LDK.
This is actually a repeat project from a property we filmed in a previous video. And this is the third apartment in this building to be renovated, right?
Yes.
So, could you tell us about the work that was done?
Sure.
Thank you. So, let's get started, Mr. Saito. This rental unit was originally a 2DK, and you've changed it into a 1LDK. Could you explain how the layout has been altered?
Yes, first, when you enter through the front door, there's a hallway, and we shifted it slightly.
You shifted the hallway?
Yes. If you look at the entrance from here,
Yes, that's the entrance right in front of us.
the hallway here has been shifted slightly to the right. By changing the position of this hallway, we were able to change the kitchen in this living area, which was originally a wall-mounted kitchen.
So, the kitchen's position has changed?
Exactly.
Where was the original kitchen?
It was on the right side of this window.
I see, so the kitchen was originally on the right side. But now, it's been shifted 90 degrees to create a counter-style kitchen.
Yes, that's right. By shifting the hallway, we were able to install the kitchen this way.
So, that column behind you, there used to be a wall along that line, right?
Yes, that's right. The original hallway wall was here.
I see. So did that make the hallway narrower?
Not really. Because when we shifted the hallway, we shaved a bit off the other side.
So, since you changed the position of the water facilities, the overall hallway size stayed about the same.
Yes, that's right.
Why did you decide to go with a counter kitchen this time?
We were targeting younger couples as the main demographic. So we envisioned a layout that would be popular. Also, even for families with small children. It allows them to watch their kids in the living room while cooking. That's the concept behind this layout.
Counter-style kitchens are quite popular, aren't they?
Yes. When people search for apartments, many now check the counter kitchen option as one of their conditions.
Right. On rental sites like Suomo, there's an option to filter for counter kitchens. And a growing number of people use that filter when searching?
Exactly.
I see. So, could you show us to the kitchen?
Sure.
Which manufacturer is it from?
This is made by Lixil.
The Sheer S model, right?
Yes, that's right.
What's the width?
It's 1800 millimeters.
So, 1.8 meters. It looks like it has sliding doors.
Yes. We chose a color that would appeal to younger tenants. This tone is called Greige Stucco.
Greige stucco. Looks really nice.
And the handles are black, giving it a modern and stylish look. Here's how the drawers are set up.
It's a common slide-type kitchen.
Yes, the left side has drawers like this. There is also a knife holder there.
I see. There are drawers here as well, and a spice rack in the back. Along with a 3-burner stove with a grill.
Yes. And there's another drawer up here.
Wow. Is the countertop made of artificial marble?
Yes, it is. There's even a hidden drawer here.
That's a lot of storage space. The Sheer model is really popular, isn't it?
Yes, definitely.
Since this was originally a 2DK, this area became larger this time?
Yes, originally this area was divided by a wall.
Where was the wall located?
Right around here.
So you demolished that wall?
Yes, we removed it to open up the space.
I see. That's how you created the LDK layout. There's also some storage behind you. Was there storage here originally?
No, that's newly added. This was a dead space. Or rather, a passageway leading to the next room.
Oh, I see. What kind of storage did you create here?
If you open it, it's about half a tatami mat in size with adjustable shelves.
Thank you. The flooring and wallpaper are part of the Imechen standard makeover package, right?
Yes, the flooring is finished with vinyl tiles.
Got it. The window frames look quite nice as well. Did you work on those too?
Yes. We applied DINKs sheets to them.
I see, you finished them with sheets. So, the waist-high windows and the sliding door, all frames are covered with sheets?
Yes, that's right.
They turned out beautifully. Did you replace the air conditioner as well?
Yes. Since this is the living room, we installed a 2.8 kilowatt unit.
Did you also add down lights?
That's right. We wanted to add an accent to the ceiling with a wood grain look. So we installed downlights to complement that look.
That's a great touch. Did you keep the ceiling light as is?
We replaced it with a new one. It's designed so you can add more lighting later if needed to brighten the space.
We are distributing a makeover pamphlet. Please check the details in the description.
So, since this unit didn't originally have an intercom, we have newly installed a new one with a TV monitor. And on the left side, there's the water heater remote control. You can also use it to reheat the bathroom here.
Thank you. Could you also guide us through this sliding door area?
Sure.
It's a double sliding door.
Yes. And it folds back into the wall for storage.
I see. That's convenient for people who want to make the living room feel more open. By keeping the door open, you can use the space more widely.
Exactly. We wanted to create that sense of openness. So we used a top-hung design without a bottom rail for a seamless look.
Yes, the floor looks nice and flat. Very clean. And is the back area storage?
Yes. This was originally a Japanese-style room with a traditional closet. But we turned it into a Western-style room this time. So we converted it into a closet like this.
Thank you. I believe the storage space you mentioned earlier is where this wall is. And this used to be the entrance to this Japanese-style room, right?
Yes, that's right.
So, what kind of changes did you make to the layout of the bathroom areas this time?
The main changes are in this area. Originally, when you entered, there was the sink, followed by a toilet, and then the bathroom. The basic pattern is the same, but we changed the positioning a bit. The biggest change is the size of the bathroom. The original bathroom was 11/16 size, which felt a little tight for two people living together.
Yes, that does sound a bit small.
So we really wanted to increase it to 12/16 size. And to make that possible, we adjusted the layout.
I see. Could you show us the area?
Sure, right this way. This is the dressing area combined with the vanity.
Nice. There's a vanity unit here, with doors in front and on the right. How has the layout been changed here?
The bathroom is now on the right-hand side. But originally, it was extended a bit more toward the hallway side. And if you looked straight ahead from there, the toilet was on the left side of the bathroom. This time, we rotated the orientation of the bath unit by 90 degrees, which allowed us to secure more depth. So the 12/16 size fit perfectly.
I see.
And here's the toilet.
It's accessed through a sliding door.
Yes. There are adjustable shelves above it.
I see. And this is the bathroom?
Yes.
It has a folding door. Looks like a typical unit bath often used in rental apartments. Which manufacturer is this from?
This is made by Lixil.
I see. So, are the interior doors also from Lixil?
No, they are from Panasonic.
Panasonic for the doors, and Lixil for the water fixtures.
That's right. Except the toilet, that's by Toto.
Got it. How about the vanity?
That's from Lixil as well.
Thank you.
And this is the entrance area.
Did you do any renovation work here?
Yes, as you can see, there's a shelf here now. But originally there was a shoe cabinet about 1200 millimeters in this spot. It was quite old and worn out. And the doors got in the way whenever you tried to open them. Since the entrance isn't that spacious to begin with, we decided to go with open shelving this time. Just installing shelves to keep the space neat and airy. These are adjustable shelves, so you can freely adjust them based on the height of the shoes.
Thank you. I noticed there's a door at the end of the hallway. What's that space for?
That's a newly created laundry area for the washing machine.
I see. And it's behind swing doors. Where was the washing machine originally located?
Originally, it was in the plumbing area next to what is now the toilet.
So, as part of the layout change, you relocated it to the end of the hallway.
Yes, exactly. And the entrance door was quite dirty on the inside. So we applied a decorative sheet finish.
Right, the entrance door does have a new surface sheet on it.
Also the door closer.
It looks nice and clean now.
Yes, we replaced that as well. And the flooring in the entryway, we use vinyl floor tiles. Also, we finished the step edge with a reform threshold.
I see, and this is the adjustable shoe storage shelf you mentioned earlier.
Yes, that's right.
You also replaced the electrical breaker panel?
Yes.
The frame around the door looks very nice too.
That's right, the frame was severely deteriorated, so we covered it with sheet for a clean look. And over here we have the water heater. Originally, the water heater did not have a reheating function. Since we are targeting DINKs this time, we thought a reheating function was essential.
Yes, if you are targeting couples, especially in a 40 square meter 1 LDK, a reheating function is indeed necessary.
Exactly. So we replaced all the plumbing for the reheating system, including new water supply and hot water lines.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Saito. May I ask about the total cost of this renovation?
Yes, it was 4.95 million yen, including tax.
4.95 million yen, thank you. So this was a full renovation of a 40 square meter unit.
That's right.
This time, you mentioned that you were targeting DINKs for this property, and I heard that you already received an application during the renovation work.
Yes.
Within what you can share, could you tell us a bit about the new tenants?
Yes, they're exactly the target group we had in mind. A couple in their 20s or 30s, planning to get married soon.
That's wonderful. The ideal tenants you envisioned ended up moving in. Thank you. One of the strengths of the Shimbashi branch is that you handle not only renovations, but also real estate brokerage and property management, right?
Exactly.
Since the Shimbashi branch is handling both the management and tenant recruitment for this building, I'd like to encourage anyone watching this video who is struggling with vacant properties, having trouble finding tenants, or feeling uneasy about their current property management company, to reach out for a consultation. You're open to those kinds of inquiries, right?
Of course. We look forward to hearing from you.
Thank you for today.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today. If you do not yet have the Imechen brochure, it's available for download from our website. So we encourage you to please download it. Additionally, we have a separate YouTube channel called The Backside of Imechen, where we share behind-the-scenes footage of our shoots and casual discussions with our affiliated shops. We'd love for you to check that out as well. Thank you for watching until the end.